Hi, I'm Mike with Family Handyman. Now I've got 5 common plumbing mistakes that DIYers often make. Now it's not that the jobs are hard, but it's just having the knowledge in order to avoid them. Now let's get started. First is over-tightening connections. Now this is true in galvanized and black pipe. Now using excessive force may not break them right away, but it makes them prone to cracking down the road. This is also true with plastic supply fittings. Now these are found near toilets and faucets, and it doesn't take much torque to make sure that these are sealed, and if you over-tighten them, they are definitely prone to cracking and leaking. You might think that you can get away with swapping out a valve or some other plumbing operations without turning off your main water supply. Bad idea. Why risk thousands of dollars worth of damage when all it takes is a simple switch of a lever? The pros do it, and you should too. First, locate your supply. Second, turn it off. When it comes to plumbing, thread tape is really important to seal all the fittings. There's a few mistakes that people commonly make. First is choosing the correct type of tape. There's tape for water, which is always blue and white. There's tape for gas, which is yellow, and there's liquid sealant, which will work for both. Another common problem is putting the tape on backwards. It's always really important to wrap the tape clockwise so that when you turn your fitting on, it is sealing the thread instead of unraveling the tape. Uh-oh, clogged drain. I'll grab the liquid drain cleaner. Bad idea. Liquid drain cleaner should always be used as a last resort rather than a first choice. And oftentimes, an easy clog can be cleared with something like a drain snake. These only cost $1 or $2 at the home centers, and if that doesn't work, you can always rent a power auger. If all else fails though, liquid drain cleaner could be your last resort. Now plumbers make the job look easy because they use the right tool. Now if you're in an old house with old galvanized piping, you might reach for your toolbox and grab some tongue and groove pliers or a set of slip joint pliers. But what you're really going to want is a set of internal pipe wrenches. Now these will help you get the job done without causing any further damage. Now if there's one thing to take away through all these tips is use the right tool for the right job. I hope these tips help you avoid some of those common plumbing errors. For more tips and tricks on plumbing, head to familyhandyman.com.